DJI is taking a bold and exciting step toward community-driven innovation by inviting Osmo Action 5 Pro users to beta test a brand new firmware update designed to enhance the camera's color performance. And if you've ever felt your shots were off in color or white balance, especially in HDR modes, this is your chance to help fix that. The Osmo Action 5 Pro, which already stands tall as DJI's flagship action camera, is loaded with cutting-edge features like a powerful 1/1.3-inch sensor, stunning 4K/120 FPS video recording, dual OLED touchscreens for ease of control, and a rugged build that's waterproof up to 20 meters, making a favorite among adventurers and content creators alike. Yet, despite all that horsepower, users have flagged recurring issues with color accuracy, white balance, and overall tone mapping, especially in tricky lighting conditions. And DJI is listening. This beta program is your opportunity to directly influence the camera's future performance by testing a firmware update crafted to address exactly those concerns. If you're interested in participating, all you need to do is submit your interest by April 28th, and if accepted, the test firmware will be delivered via your DJI account by April 30th. So yes, it's happening fast. Updating the firmware couldn't be easier. Simply log into your DJI account, connect your Osmo Action 5 Pro to the DJI MIMO app, and follow the on-screen instructions. Done in minutes. There's no cap on how many users can join, and the beta period is open-ended, so you can provide valuable feedback at your own pace. This move reflects DJI's deep commitment to both quality control and community engagement. They're not just pushing out updates blindly. They want to hear directly from creators like you to ensure the Osmo Action 5 Pro performs up to professional standards in the field. Whether you're filming under direct sunlight, cloudy skies, or dim environments, your feedback could help shape how the camera renders color, adjusts white balance, and maintains clarity in every frame. That kind of direct influence is rare in consumer tech today. And let's not forget, while this firmware update is exciting news, DJI is also giving you another reason to smile with a limited time offer. You can grab $60 off the DJI Mini 4K drone combo, a perfect companion for aerial content creators who want affordable 4K performance without breaking the bank. Whether you're capturing cinematic travel vlogs, action-packed sports edits, or just everyday moments with professional flair, DJI is creating tools and experiences that put creators at the center. So if you're serious about action filmmaking and want to make your Osmo Action 5 Pro even better, don't miss this opportunity to contribute to its evolution. Sign up now, update easily, test thoroughly, and share your thoughts, because your footage will help DJI fine-tune a camera already known for pushing boundaries. For everything from drone deals to action cam updates, you know where to stay locked in. This is TechVerse, where innovation meets insight.